With 2019 coming to a close, it marks the end of an interesting year in the world of finance. David Fulmer of Premier Alliance explains that it has also been a very confusing year.
We've got analysts telling us that the market's fallen apart, and the next day another analyst is telling us it's never been as good as it's ever been. The reality is it's somewhere in between.
In 2019, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates for the first time since the Great Recession, and they did it 3 times in an effort to stimulate the economy.
It had a very positive impact because it's less expensive to borrow money, but then in people that were used to getting high rates of return in CDs are getting much less. So it did 100% have a positive and a negative impact on our economy.
The trade war with China has also been big news as the U.S. imposed more than $500 billion in tariffs on Chinese products. In response, China imposed more than $100 billion on American goods.
We've started to feel an impact when we start to go to the store because all Chinese-made products are starting to become a lot more expensive for us as consumers to buy. But just yesterday, President Trump tweeted out that we're really close to getting an agreement in place, and in doing so, the stock market rallied to all-time highs.
Today, President Trump tweeted that a Phase 1 deal has been reached with China.
It's extremely important.
According to U.S. officials, the deal will cancel the next round of planned tariffs on Chinese goods. And in return, China will purchase American products, namely from the agricultural sector. But questions remain about the economy as we head into 2020.
The volatility, we had a lot of volatility this year of ups and downs, and I would just say it's very important to sit down with a professional.
Steve Dent, 6 on your side.